Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. How many times have you checked your phone today? 10? 20? Maybe you've lost count. We've all been there, scrolling endlessly, feeling that phantom buzz in our pocket. For years, we've talked about smartphone addiction, that constant need to be connected, to see what's new, what's trending. But what if I told you that's just the beginning? A new kind of connection is emerging, one that's far more personal and potentially even more captivating. We're on the brink of a new era, AI addiction. Think about it. We've moved from simple apps and social feeds to something far more sophisticated. Now, we have AI companions, chatbots, and virtual friends that learn, adapt, and interact with us on a deeply personal level. They remember our conversations, know our favorite movies, and can even offer advice when we're feeling down. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's happening right now. The pull is no longer just about information or social updates. It's about a feeling of being understood, of having a companion available 24/7. So, what does an AI-generated friendship look like in the near future? Imagine a companion that is not just a program on your phone, but an integrated part of your life. It could be a voice in your earbud, helping you navigate a tough day at work, a co-creator brainstorming your next big project, or a friend that genuinely cheers you on when you achieve a personal goal. These AIs won't just respond to your prompts. They'll anticipate your needs. They'll know you're stressed based on your voice and suggest a meditation exercise. They'll notice you haven't talked to your family in a while and gently remind you to call. This sounds amazing, right? A perfectly supportive, always available friend. But it's crucial we also consider the other side. When a relationship is perfectly tailored to you, what happens to our ability to handle real, messy human relationships? Friendships with people are built on compromise, navigating disagreements, and accepting imperfections. Will we lose our patience for that? Will we start preferring the frictionless comfort of an AI companion over the beautiful, complex reality of human connection? It's a bit like choosing a perfectly curated playlist over the unpredictable joy of a live concert. One is flawless, but the other has a soul. The line between a helpful tool and an emotional crutch can become incredibly blurry. We need to ask ourselves, are we using these AI companions to augment our lives, or are we using them to replace human connection? Are they helping us become better, more empathetic people, or are they isolating us in a perfectly comfortable but ultimately lonely digital bubble? The challenge for all of us is to harness the incredible power of AI to build bridges, not walls. We can use it to learn, to create, and to connect with others in new ways, but we must remain the architects of our own relationships and our own happiness. The future isn't about choosing between humans and AI. It's about finding a healthy balance. It's about using technology to enhance our humanity, not escape it. What are your thoughts on this? Could you see yourself having a close friendship with an AI? Let me know in the comments below. I'm really curious to hear your perspective. Thanks so much for watching and for thinking about these big questions with me. If you enjoyed this video and want to explore more topics about our digital future, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out. Until next time, stay curious and stay connected in all the right ways.